Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video we'll show you how to remove or replace outer tie rod on Ford Fiesta MK7 generation 2018-2017. We'll be demonstrating on a 2015 ST. So let me show you now. If it's an ST or regular car, procedure will be almost the same. So this is the outer tie rod right here in the ball joint. Sometimes we'll get wore out and you can plane the steering wheel, and you hear the wobble as well. So not very complicated procedure to do, but I would definitely recommend to go ahead and get an alignment once you're done with it, because the new outer tie rod might be a little bit different size than the old one, and your alignment will be off. So we'll be working on the front left side, and what we'll do, we'll actually install the tire chokes on the rear right. I usually do diagonal. Okay, and we'll jack the car up. You need to make sure that you get the lug bolts loose before you jack it up, but don't get them off, just break them loose. Always use a jack stand. Because if the jack fails, what happens, just one little seal fails and everything will fall on you, so you definitely have to use a jack stand. Next we're going to remove the lug nuts, 19mm socket there, and when we remove them we're going to actually put the tire under the vehicle facing up so we can cut the wheel. So in case something happens, the jack fails, the jack stand fails as well, we're going to have an alternative to catch the car so it doesn't drop all the way down on us. So what we're going to do first, use some WD-40 penetrating spray, and we're going to spray, okay, some right here, because you can see there is some rust and the car even has only 11,000 miles. So we're going to let it soak for a little bit. Also, you can apply a little bit right here because we'll need to get that nut loose there as well. Okay, just like that. And it's not going to work, but sometimes you can put between these two. Okay, and let it soak for 10-15 minutes before you proceed. Okay, like that. So, first thing, right here with 7/8, we're going to use it, fits really good. We're going to get that nut loose. Okay, like that. And after that, okay, we're going to go ahead and get this one loose. I believe this one is 18mm, yep. And this one, if it's spinning, you have a hex key that you can hold it with on this side. So we'll see if it will be spinning or not now. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if it's spinning. We'll have to use the wrench, okay, and we will need to hold it with the hex key. Okay, ours is not, so that's great. Okay, the nut is coming off now. In order to remove it now, what you need to do, never ever hit on the bolt. In some cases you can, if you install the nut, but now we're going to get a hammer, okay, and we're going to hit here on the cast iron. Okay, and when you hit here, it's going to get loose on the bottom side. And now you can actually go ahead and spray a little bit of, okay, penetrating oil, okay, right here. That way it will soak in and it will come out easy. Okay, so let's hit it with the hammer and see what happens. Okay, stop, it got loose. Okay, you can see it sunk in. So now we can go ahead. Okay, you need to move the wheel left or right and pull it out. Next, all you have to do, just unscrew it from the from the inner tie rod. Okay, and I think my neighbors are killing themselves if you hear something in the video. Okay, and the outer tie rod is out of here. So, after that, okay, you get a new tie rod. Ours, we just took it off to show you how to do it, guys. It's the same procedure whether you're using a new or just what we're doing here for our purpose, just to show you how to do it. Okay, get it tight until it reaches the nut there. The nut, we didn't get it loose, we just broke it loose, but we didn't move it at all, remember there? So now, we're going to get this one tight. Okay, let's see if it's spinning now here. Okay, it's not. If it's spinning on top, you have to hold it with a hex key. Okay, let us show you how to do that in case it's happening. Okay, here is a hex key. Okay, let me pull this. I think it's this is the correct size. Okay, so right here you install the hex key, you hold it with the ratchet. Okay, and after that you're going to use the wrench, okay, to get it tight. Okay, make sure it's tight. Okay, perfect. Okay, and after that we're going to get the nut tight here. Make sure you get it tight good so it doesn't get loose. Okay, perfect. And this one will be, guys, the whole procedure for removing and replacing outer tie rod on Ford Fiesta. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.